my name is Robin and this is my closet. Normally I do all sorts of unboxings, clothing, jewelry, lifestyle, makeup, but I got tagged. I think this could be my first tag. I was tagged from Linda Roy. I will leave her link below. She is an excellent YouTuber. She can put together outfits like you wouldn't believe. She has a beautiful home that she's decorating for the holidays. So please check out her channel. So the tag, it's a fall tag, questions and answers to get to know me. So again, I have never done one, so let's give it a try. The first question is, what is your favorite Halloween movie? I don't watch scary movies, so I would have to say it's a Charlie Brown movie, because those are probably the last Halloween movies that I watched with the kids, was a Charlie Brown Halloween. The next question is apple pie or pumpkin pie? And I'm gonna go with pumpkin, and I'm also gonna throw in that I love the caramel apple pumpkin cheesecake that they have. So it's a little bit mixture of both. But I would pick the pumpkin, but now that they've come out with so many new flavors, it's hard to choose. Halloween party or haunted house? It would definitely have to be a Halloween party. I do not go to haunted houses. And I brought up my kids not to watch scary movies and to go to Halloween houses. So I don't know how that worked. Store-bought pumpkin or pumpkin patch pumpkin? I'm gonna go with the pumpkin patch pumpkin. Where I've always lived, they have pumpkin patches. So even though I don't have any kids living with me, we do have quite a few pumpkin patches around here. So I would go and get some cider and some pumpkins from there. Let's see. Favorite fall scent? If it's like an outdoor scent, when I was living in Chicago, of course, I love that crisp ear kind of scent. I liked it enough from leaving my house to going into my car. Otherwise, I was done with the scent. But yeah, I kind of like the winter scent. Favorite fall drink? Hands down, it has to be a Bailey's and coffee. When it starts to get cold, I have to have a Bailey's and coffee. Sometimes whipped cream, sometimes not, but yeah, that would be my favorite fall drink. Favorite holiday, Halloween, or Thanksgiving? I'm gonna go with Thanksgiving. You know, now that I don't have children here and I live where there's no kids, I'm gonna definitely go for Thanksgiving. We had a tradition back in Chicago. We went to a place called Lowry Steakhouse when the kids got older and they didn't run around anymore. And they would serve a Thanksgiving dinner like you wouldn't believe. And we'd have, you know, anywhere from 6 to 15 people that would attend this. Well, when I moved to Arizona, my daughter took over and she would make the reservations for everybody, because you have to make them almost a year in advance to get into this place. And now that she's gone, I'm not sure if the tradition has been broken. But yeah, we used to go to Lowry Steakhouse. So I'm gonna go with Thanksgiving. And corn maze or haunted house? Corn maze. I would probably get lost. I don't remember the last time that I was in a corn maze. But yeah, it would definitely be a corn maze. Favorite fall candy? It would have to be any flavor fudge. A lot of fudge shops. We're in Arizona. We're near a lot of like touristy towns, you know. We're not that far from Jerome, where it's like a ghost town, or Sedona. And when I go there, I just buy as many flavors of fudge as I can get. So I'm gonna go with fudge. And your favorite childhood memory. That would have to be vacationing with my family. We live probably about 2.5 hours from a place called Wisconsin Dells. I don't know if any of you are familiar with it, but it was a small, kind of like a mining town. They had the silver jewelry stores and the fudge shops, and they had, back then, we stayed at a hotel without a pool. A pool back in the day was a luxury. Now, in all these years, they put in water parks and the indoor water parks and hotels and everything. But we used to drive in my dad's station wagon. It was one of those big, long station wagons with kind of like the wood paneling on the side. And me and my younger sister would be stuck in the way back there. I couldn't even sit up. And then my older sister got the whole middle seat and the luggage. So we used to travel. We used to stop at all the little fruit stands and Stuckies. They used to have Stuckies along the way. So those are my favorite memories. And my favorite Thanksgiving food would have to be the turkey, mashed potatoes, and all the fixings. And sweater or scarf, I don't do scarves. I can't fix them around my neck, so I'm definitely would be a sweater person. But there's beautiful scarves out there, and I've seen ladies and they can just rock those scarves. I'm just not one of them. And wool socks or slippers, I'm gonna go with slippers. I probably have about 4 or 5 pairs of slippers that I throw on. And the last thing is favorite fall tradition. I haven't thought about that one. We like to travel here, so I guess just like traveling around, going in the mountains, you know, with the RV would be something that I'd like to do. As I said, it's hard when you don't have your family here, and especially your kids. But me and the man, we do a lot of traveling in the fall because the weather gets a little bit cooler, so it's really nice to travel. So that is the end of my questions. And now I have to tag somebody. So I'm going to tag Miranda from Doing Life with Miranda and Jen from Jen's Glitter Obsession. She does makeup, beautiful makeup looks. And so I'm going to tag her. So you guys have an awesome day, and please feel free to leave comments to any of these, and please tag yourselves. If this is something that you'd like to do, please join in. It's been a lot of fun. Have an awesome day.